They tried to drop me with a case, but you know I hadn't skated. I was singing like, ooh. I swear.
The hip-hop community mourning one of their own. Rich homie Quan has died at his home in Atlanta. The rapper's family confirmed his death to Rolling Stone. Rich was 34 years old.
Rich homie Quan, R.I.P. I feel some type of way. YouTube, this your boy, Tone coming back at y'all. One more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevy's R Us, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Y'all see the donks in the background, man. But look here, man, I just wanted to holler at y'all real quick, man. I know y'all done heard the news. It's another sad day in history, man. Another Atlanta rap icon, man, dead and gone. May our boy, Rich homie Quan, rest in peace, man. You know what I'm saying? It's sad, man. We got young people out here, man, dying from drug overdoses, man, and all kind of stuff like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? He was there. He was there, man. He was at the top, you know what I'm saying? Hit records and, you know, out there like that, bro. It's sad, man. But you know what, man? It is what it is, man. We got to start praying for our people, man. That's why it makes sense, man. You got to be right. I don't care where you at in your career. I don't care where you at in your life. We have to stay connected to Jesus Christ, man. Otherwise, we'll end up the same way. Whether you a movie star, whether you a rapper, whether you a YouTuber, whatever you do, man, we got to stay connected to God, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, R.I.P. Rich homie Quan, man. R.I.P. Rich homie Quan. But look here, man, while I got you on here, if you like old school cars and learning how to do LS swaps that run like this. LS3 Swapped. Looking at almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do that, YouTube. Step by step. Did our own fuel system. We show y'all how to do that as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS Swap, baby. As easy as you possibly can. As inexpensively as you possibly can without sacrificing quality or performance. Let Chevy's R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevy's R Us, Tone. Y'all ready? Let's get it.